In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can add or change your profile picture here in Outlook. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If you really just help out the channel, it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide you do have any questions, simply ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, open up any email in your inbox. It doesn't really matter which email you do open up. For example, we could do this one right here. But what you're going to want to do is actually find the U option up in the top right of that email. Now, it may also be where you're addressed to right here. So you could select just like so. And it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. But you're not going to see your profile. And what you're going to want to choose is update your profile just like so. And it's going to open up a web browser that looks something like this with you signed in. If you're not already signed in, make sure that you do sign in. But underneath your info section right here, from here, go ahead and scroll down to the very bottom and you're going to see a whole section with your name on it. Choose that and then select view account and it's going to redirect you to a page that looks like this. In the overview, you're going to see a little option with a little pencil icon with your current profile picture. Choose that and either drag or drop a photo in here or simply just add a photo by selecting add a photo and putting something on there. And after doing so, your profile picture is going to be updated. Just make sure you do hit save down at the very bottom. But that is it. You've now added or changed your Outlook profile picture. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.